Small businesses are now using free AI tools to do the work of an entire team, and most people still have no idea how powerful these tools actually are. Let's be honest, running a small business today is not easy. You're doing everything, from marketing, content creation, customer replies, product design, and sometimes even admin work. And if you're doing all of that manually, it gets overwhelming really fast. But here's the good news, there are free AI tools right now that can help you save time, create content faster, and make your business look more professional, even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, I'll show you the best free AI tools for small businesses and how you can actually use them in real life. First, let's clear something up. AI is not here to replace your business. It's here to help you work faster, create content easier, and stay consistent online. Think of it like having a small digital team with a writer, a designer, a video editor, and a marketing assistant without the need to pay the cost for an entire team. The most useful free AI tools that we will talk about includes ChatGPT for writing and ideas, Canva AI for designs and content, CapCut AI for videos, AI image tools for visuals and products, and Google Gemini for research and planning. In the next parts of this video, I'll give you an example on how to use each of them. ChatGPT helps you write faster and generate ideas instantly. Let's say you own a small milk tea business and you want to post a promo. Instead of thinking for 30 minutes, you type this. Write a catchy Facebook caption for a milk tea business promoting a buy one, take one promo. Make it fun, engaging, and encourage people to visit today. In seconds, you already have the complete engaging post with promo-style caption and sales-driven message for your promo. All you need to do is edit and simply post it online. Instead of guessing what to do, AI gives you multiple strategies instantly. Canva AI helps you create designs even if you're not a designer. Let's say you need a poster for your business sale. Instead of hiring a designer, you can use Canva AI and generate posters, menus, social media posts, and product listings. In Canva AI, you can type something like, create a modern sale poster for a small coffee shop with warm aesthetic colors. Then, Canva will generate a ready-to-edit design that you can customize. For some business examples, Canva AI can help coffee shops to create menus and promos, for bakeries to design cake price lists, for shops to create sale posters, and even salons to get help with creating service menus. CapCut helps you turn simple clips into professional-looking videos. Let's say you filmed your product. Normally, you edit manually, add captions, and adjust timing. Now, with AI, you can do auto captions, auto edits, and faster video output. Here's an example. For a clothing business, you just upload your video, then CapCut automatically adds captions, improves pacing, and helps make it TikTok ready. As a result, from raw video, you will have a ready-to-post content in minutes. AI image generators are tools to create images based on text descriptions. Let's say you want sticker designs or product visuals. You type, create a cute minimal sticker design of a smiling milk teacup with pastel colors, suitable for small business branding. AI will generate design ideas you can use for stickers, packaging, digital products, and branding concepts. Gemini helps you research and plan faster. Let's say you're a reseller. Instead of guessing trends, you ask Gemini, what are trending small business product ideas for online sellers in 2026? For the result, you get ideas for trending products, business opportunities, and marketing insights. It is very important to note that AI is not a magic money machine. It won't automatically make your business successful, but it is a tool to help you save time, create content faster, stay consistent, and work smarter. Your creativity and execution still matter. In summary, free AI tools can help small businesses with writing captions using ChatGPT, designing content using Canva AI, editing videos using CapCut AI, creating visuals using AI image tools, and researching ideas using Gemini. Basically, you don't need a big team anymore to look professional online. If you're a small business owner, now is the best time to start using AI tools, because businesses using AI today are growing faster tomorrow. In In the next video, I'll show you examples of how to use ChatGPT for small businesses.